Do you know what, guys? That's been really encouraging, really inspiring, and now I really feel like singing. The future is bright, so much in store. How could I not see it before? Thank goodness I found out before too late. I used to have a really bad attitude and often been extremely rude, but finally I see life can be great. There'll be things that I really enjoy doing. It'll be totally strange.